with meteorologist Dan Tomasso.
She really wanted that baseball. But I have a feeling meeting Harrison Bader, at least maybe down near the clubhouse, was even cooler than getting that baseball. So good on the Phillies and good on the Marlins for making that a better situation. Here's Lidditz right now. We can see overall blue sky, a little bit of a breeze. Everything's still rather green, although rain has been harder and harder to come by as of late, and that's going to be more the pattern as we look ahead. Temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s for all of us. It is a gorgeous day and calmer than yesterday. The winds, not really much of a factor, around 5 miles per hour at their strongest. Yesterday, it was more like 10 or 15 miles per hour. But look at this sky over Hummelstown. I mean, you just got to soak this in, kind of hang on to it while it lasts, because we will have some grayer days and more of a wet weather pattern at some point coming up this fall, but enjoy the sunshine too. This is the beauty of fall. We can get weather patterns like this. High pressure is responsible, and really it's not going to renege much power to the overall pattern. I mean, we may get an upper level disturbance moving into Wednesday and Thursday, but even then, not a whole lot of shower activity to speak of. So let's show you PrecisionCast today. All sunshine, clear skies through tonight. So we go back to the warm afternoon, cooler night pattern through tomorrow. The only difference for the middle part of this week is the cloud cover. We may see more clouds to start out Wednesday. And this time of the year, if we start cloudy and start even just a little bit damp with mist and drizzle, it may take a while to see that clearing heading into the afternoon. Now, PrecisionCast says we do clear out. Heading into Thursday, back to more sunshine, though, and Friday also a nice little warm-up temperature-wise. I mentioned this last night, but the Atlantic is very, very quiet. We did have a disturbance that was being watched by the National Hurricane Center, but it lacked really any development or organization, so that doesn't affect our extended forecast. Instead, more dry weather. And I mentioned this earlier, but showers will stay to our east and to our northwest through this weekend. And at this point, if we're going to call for showers, it's likely Monday into Tuesday of next week with the next front. But as we get closer to these types of events, it does appear like things dry out. So there's no guarantee for rain even early next week. So again, take this in while it's here. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s. The only minor difference is the cloud cover Wednesday into Thursday, but that begins to clear. And I just skipped over the 7-day forecast. Jackson, could you do me a favor and just pull up the 7-day quickly on Max 1? It went a little bit too far in the show. That's our farm forecast that you see on the Farm Report in Lancaster.
I was going to say, that's a
newspaper,
lot of boxes, Dan.
It's a lot of boxes, but there's a lot of sunshine to enjoy on the
Yes.
7-day. Trust me on this. Low to mid 70s through the end of the week, Kayla. There it is.
There we go.
80
Thank you,
degrees.
Jackson.
Thank you, Jackson. Coming in clutch. Look at that through the weekend. Gorgeous.
Just gorgeous weather. I mean, can it get much better than that?
I don't think so. I mean, again, this is about as quiet as it gets for this time of the year, especially for September standards. More October, I recognize this weather pattern happens, but it's definitely early.
Yeah, for sure, especially it being hurricane season.
Exactly, and that's all quiet right now.
Yes.
Cross our fingers.
Cross our
to stay that
fingers.
way.
Thank you so much, Dan.